Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm back to share a few projects that I created with the items that I picked out from the BeeBeeCraft's online store. And I used the puffy hearts, these sequin puffy hearts. And I did try to find a link to these on their website and I couldn't find it, so I'm not sure if those are still available for purchase. And then I used these beautiful butterfly key charms, and these were one of my favorites that I picked out, and then some of their fun fuzzy beads, texture beads. And I decided to make some Halloween or Pastelloween projects, and I created a square, kind of a square shaped policy envelope, and I will give you the measurements in the description box below in case you're interested in the measurements for this size policy envelope. And there's lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to make your own policy envelope. So I also used the paper from Michael's from I think last year or the year before, and it's the pastel paper. It's still one of my favorites. So I used the biggest bow die that I had in my stash because I wanted it to be big enough to put the sequin heart in the middle there, and that's what I did. And then everything's removable, nothing's like fully adhered, so it's reusable. And so then I attached the bow to a clothespin, added a little spider button there, and the puffy heart in the center, and then I just punched a little hole at the bottom of the heart and added a chain and some little dangles and charms. So here's that fuzzy bead there, a little broom, and some other little fun charms, Halloween charms that I had in my stash. This little skull. So there's this, and it's all, you know, reusable, and just goes on there like that. There's that one. And then I used the same paper collection, and I thought this one was fun because it comes with some kind of lighter, more fall type papers, and I thought this would be perfect for somebody maybe that does not celebrate Halloween, and it's got more of a fall, winter kind of feel to it. So again, same thing, I just attached the bow to a clothespin, and this one here I used the blue sequin heart there, super cute. And then I used, it's still a little bit Halloween, but not too much. So there's a little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern charm, but it's blue, and then there's also a white spider web down here, but you barely see it. And then this little white fuzzy bead, which kind of looks like a snowball to me. So there's that one. And then I made a pink one. So cute. So this one I didn't put it on a clothespin or anything because I think I'm going to make a mini album or something, and I thought it would look cute on like the spine of the mini album. And just same thing, used the pink heart there and more of the little fuzzy beads and dangles and things there. So there's that one. And then I used, this is the project I made where I used the butterfly key charm. So I think it looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see it there. But I thought it went just really perfect with the Heritage paper collection by Maggie Holmes. And I'm trying to catch up. I'm so behind, but I was trying to do at the beginning of the year a Memorydex challenge, which is a weekly Memorydex challenge on Instagram. So this would be for week 15, which is truly vintage is the prompt. So yeah, I'm like super behind and going out of order, but I'm still trying to make a few here and there because I really do like making them. So I made the base using the die from my stash, and then I just added some layers, this little paper ruffle that I sewed, and some of the cut aparts from the paper collection, or I think I actually fussy cut this one out. I don't remember. And then some of the gold foil stickers, and this is actually unties, and it is a tag accordion mini album. So there's that. So I thought that was fun. The back is blank. I'm going to be adding pictures and decorating it, but I haven't really done much to the back. So yeah. So I thought that was just fun and a little bit different. So, and then it just gets tied up and held in place with the lace and the little key charm. So those are my projects, guys, for BeeBeeCrafts, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.